In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add another account on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Snapchat app. As you can see, I've currently already signed into my main Snapchat profile, and now, first of all, we need to log out of it. To do that, we need to tap at that gear, then scroll down, hit at logout, and then log out again. Now guys, it gives us an option to log into another account. If we hit at login button, we'll be logged into our current account that it is displayed right here. However, we can tap at use other account to log into another one. And also we can tap at sign up to create new one. I'm gonna tap at sign up now, and then first off we can enter our name here. I'm gonna enter Apple Guy in that way, and then hit at continue. Then we can choose birthday, hit continue again. On the next step, we can set a password for our account, and once it is done, I'm gonna hit at continue, and then we just need to specify our email. I'm gonna tap at hide my email to use iCloud temporarily email, just like that. And then to finish account creation, I'm gonna hit at finish. Now I'm gonna skip that step, skip one more time. As you can see, I've already signed into my secondary account. We can easily check it right here. Now I'm on Apple Guy test profile. And then if we wanna switch between our accounts, we can easily do so in any time in the same exact way. To do that, just hit add gear, scroll down, hit logout, and then if you have not specified your phone number, you will get this warning here. You can verify a number first, but I'm just gonna hit at not now and then log out. After that, all your accounts you are currently signed in from the particular device will be displayed right here, and that's how you can easily switch between them. Just select an account to log in and then hit at that button. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.